Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today I have bought few stuff for my XR helmet. So the helmet is very good. There is no wind noise, and I feel very light. The helmet feels very light on my head, and it's very good. So I think I have made a right choice by going for this helmet. And as it has anti-fog, I have tested it. So when I went for Nandi Hills ride, I didn't face that issue of fogging, because my other old helmet which I had that issue previously when I went. So coming to this, guys, I have bought few stuff for my helmet, XR helmet. So I hope you're gonna like it. So one is a Bluetooth headset, the helmet Bluetooth headset. Another one is chin, wherein I can put it over here, chin, and I can put my action camera, which is also called as chin strap or a camera mounting strap. So these are the two things I have bought it. So I'm gonna make an unboxing of this. So before that, guys, I really like to thank everyone. Because of you I got an opportunity to make videos, and because of you I have reached 3,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and please do support me in reaching more subscribers, and let me know the feedback on the comment section. And for the first time I'm recording through my Canon 1300D. Always I used to use my normal mobile to record, so I just want to see the quality, how it works out. So please let me know the comment section. Let me know the feedback in the comment section. And this is the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna upload this video on both the channel, which is Abhilash V R and Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. So this is based for the helmet, and which is for the motorcycle. I'm gonna upload in both. So please do support me on my new channel also. I'm gonna give the link below, and I'm gonna put it on the I button somewhere, you can see over there. So please do click on that, check out my video and subscribe, and please give me your feedback. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much. And for the new subscribers, the new viewers, please do subscribe, check out my other videos also. So coming to the point, guys, let me make this unboxing. I have bought this from Bangaru.com. So each costed me the headset. I'm going to tell you the price. Let me just open this, and headset costed me around 700 and chain, and the strip costed me around same 500 something. Let me just go to my order and check. Yes, the helmet strip costed me 575 rupees, and the headset costed me 333 rupees. And let me just open this, guys. So this is the first time I have bought it from Bangaru. So I don't know how it is, but coming to the package, everything is looks like the same how the Amazon packs, and I'm really waiting to see the package. To see my product, how it is. So I placed this order on Jan 15th or something, but I got it a little bit early itself. So that's all. This is the USB cable, and the packing seems good because it's been shipped from China, I think. So I have used all necessary safety package thing. Here we use the bubble wrap. They have used some other stuff. Okay. Here comes the helmet Bluetooth headset, and here comes the helmet strap. So let me just open the helmet strap and then this. So yeah, you can see over here it's everything in Chinese, but I think quality look premium. Okay, yeah, it's a rubber. It looks a bit premium, guys. I don't know how to mount this. I have two straps. Okay, there's no instruction guide or something, and and this is what we just try fixing this with just wondering how to fix this. So this is gonna fit in over here, the bottom. So camera gonna fit here, or I put it in over here. This is fine. So I'm gonna put this in reverse position so I can get a good video coverage. So guys, you can see this is how it's gonna fit into my chin. I feel little weight over here because due to the camera and this. So if I'm gonna remove this transparent case, it will be fine, I think. So this is fine, guys. So I think I'm gonna get a good view, and I'm gonna make another video of showing how good view I'm gonna get. Let me try to connect to my app. This noise play camera is not that great, guys, because it's not gonna connect to my mobile. So guys, I could not give you the demo by clicking these things because due to camera got turned off. So this is how it's gonna fix, guys. So you can see, let me just see if it is clear in the camera. Yeah, so this is how it's gonna fit. So you can see, so this can be used in any of the helmets, no matter its chin is flat or like bulky like me, you can still use this. This is gonna look cool, and I like this. So in Amazon, the cost of this chin mount, the pad was around 1500, but I've got this for just 500 rupees. So I'm completely satisfied with this, and thank you so much Bangaru for sending me this product much like earlier, wherein it's not even been a week I've got this item. Thank you so much. I'm very much happy and satisfied with this, and the removing is also very good. The quality, everything look premium. It's good. So whenever you can just remove the camera and you can just leave it over here. If you wanna fix it permanently, if you're gonna leave it over here, or if you wanna take it out, you can take it. Whereas this has a rubber pad over here, this will not gonna damage your helmet, and it's very good and it's stable, guys. So in upcoming days I'm gonna just make a video and show you how stable this is. So this is just an unboxing of this, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I'm gonna make two different videos. So next video is all about the Bluetooth helmet. So I'm gonna make that, and for this I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much once again, and if you like this video, please do let me know in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up and help me in uploading more. Thank you guys for watching this video, and this was a quick unboxing and installation video of this. And please do support and help me in uploading more and more videos. Love you all. Thank you so much. Catch you in my next video. So next is my unboxing. Till that, bye bye. Take care.